So in this video I'm going to show you how to open this part on how to fix the handle. So first I'm using the same tool to actually open this through screw. So this is the first one, and the next one. Second one, and the third one I already have opened it, so it's make it quicker. Here you go. Done. Okay. The tricky part is to open this. First, when I tried my first time, I thought this is from the black thing, but not. That's wrong. So you can see scratch, many of them already, as you can see. Yeah. But in order to open this, I use a different tool, which is this one. You can use anything as long it's flat. Yeah, and see, and for you to open this part, you have to push from here. So I put there and lift a bit, yeah, and hold it, and from the other side lift it. Sorry, yeah, lift and hold it and put here and lift it. Yeah, there you go, it's open. Then go up from here. Just be careful, because on this part there's another clip where it's hold, and there's another clip in this side and in this side. So in this case we open from here. There's another clip, so using the same tool, put insert, and same thing, push, as you can see, right? Look. Right, you can see it's peeing out, and from the other side as well. Just a bit. Yeah, this side. There you go. Can you see? So there you go. It's a bit there you go. It's a bit hard when you have to put in video as well. There you go. As you can see, it's off. Yeah. There you go. Now this is a clip. Yeah. Yes. So there's one clip, two clip, and the other clip here, and this clip. There's three clip in total. So normally what happens is there's something here stuck inside here, so you can't actually push the button to the next one. It's stuck there. So I have removed mine, so you can't see from here anymore. Yeah. Right. So this is the last speed, second speed, first speed, off. There you go. So I'll show you the cable again. This is how it looks like. Yeah. So yeah, look, so many scratches here, because first I didn't know how to open it, so I just tried many times. But yeah, pretty much that's how you guys need to fix this part. Yeah, just make sure you take off the broken pieces inside here. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. you go. Yeah, and for you to assemble back, just make sure this thing, this the on off button here, make sure it's slide to exactly to here. Otherwise, otherwise it won't work. Yeah, just make sure you slide here, push here and here, and you just push it. That's it. Push, 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 and test it first. There you go. 1, 2, 3. So there you go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, sorry. So 1, 2, 3. There you go. There you go. And just push everything back. Push everything back. There you go. Push, 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 push. So again, I know it's not easy, but I mean it's worth it to fix it yourself. At least up till now, until my first video, up till now, it just works. So I don't need to spend more money, because it's still work fine, and you know it's an awesome vacuum cleaner. There you go. There you go. So you just need to put all the screwdriver back. Just put it, everything is back, and yeah, and ready to go. Yeah, I hope that video helps. And look, I know it's not hard to open that part, but it's worth to give it a try. Okay, good luck everyone, and enjoy this video.